Hey guys, I just recently went to Dollar Tree, which is starting to be my favorite store.
Since the 99-cent store want to false advertising. Shit in there, 99 cents.
Whitening pen. And so I'm going to see if it works or not. And yeah. Then I also got this 5-minute whitening tooth system. So we're going to see if it works or not. The directions say for best results, brush your regular brush with your regular toothbrush and toothpaste. Remove cover and twist clockwise. Okay, so let me brush my teeth. I would have thought to do so. I just didn't do it, I guess. I bought some new toothpaste and toothbrush. Guys, I did my nails, by the way. These were $12 press-on nails that I bought from the beauty supply store. So I did not feel like sitting in nobody's nail shop. Even though I already did. But I just got my feet done.
I didn't forget that. I had decided to make it now. Sit back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them big.
Alright, so make sure you brush your teeth first. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove this cover. It says to twist clockwise. Initially requires multiple turns until gel appears. So I want to just wipe that off.
Temporary germophobic
brush off just because, and then you just start twisting until you see the gel. It says turn until you see the gel. Okay, don't see any gel. There it go, guys. See the gel? I hope you guys can see it well. Paint gel onto entire front surface of each upper tooth you wish to whiten. Let it dry. Okay. Damn, that's it. Alright, so it feels weird because saliva, but it says to let it dry, so let's see, let it dry or heat for bottom users.
Girl, what the hell is you saying?
Avoid eating.
So basically you allow it to dry, I would say about maybe 5 minutes, and then you rinse your mouth out, and then you brush your teeth once again. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun, dun. Let me see your grill. Let me see your what? My grill. Yep, my grill.
Alright, y'all, so this is the final. I mean, my smile has never been super yellow, but I don't know, look like they polished up or whatever.
So make sure that you keep watching because there is more to this video. The second part will be the second whitening kit that I use from Dollar Tree, so stay tuned.
I hope you guys decide to try it, and I hope it works out. And yeah. Oh my god, it's 555. If you know, you know. If you don't, you just don't. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and try the 5-minute natural white tooth whitening system. Yes, I'm doing two whitening methods. So if I can open it. There was this brand, I don't know if it's still out, but it's called like Atlanta Smile Express or something like that. And they had this laser whitening tooth kit. And I don't know, that laser stuff is kind of harsh to certain people's teeth, especially if their teeth is sensitive. So you know, that I think it's called LED lightning and stuff like that. I don't think that's really good for your teeth. It like weakens your teeth. So inside of this package here, there is, I don't even know what to call this, but like, obviously you're gonna put it in your mouth, I guess you can call it. Let me see, best describe it as mouthpiece. How about that? Disposable mouthpiece. That's what we're gonna call it today. So this is the disposable mouthpiece. It's so small. I am going to rinse that off. And then here is the tooth whitening gel. Yeah, so let's just try it. Before we do though, I'm sure you just put it on the lines and put it in your mouth, but we're going to read the directions just in case. Brush your teeth to remove any debris. I already did that. Apply gel sparingly in top and bottom of the tray reservoirs. Okay, so these are it's a tray reservoir. All fancy with the words and shit. Leave tray in your mouth for 5 minutes. Use morning and night. Remove tray from mouth. Rinse tray and store clean. Rinse mouth with water. Repeat until you achieve your desired shade of white. So let's begin. So I'm gonna put, my thing is, I need everything to be closed. I need to open it myself, you know, because like you just can't trust people and manufacturers and stuff nowadays. People will open this package, open this, put something in it, or take something out of it.
You're just nice.
And then like wrap it back up. Like, So I'm gonna go ahead and just put the gel. And the one from, I think that's the name of it, Atlanta Smile Express. It was just like this, and but it was a laser instead. A laser tray reservoir. That word actually sounds pretty good. So, literally I just put some gel on the top and the bottom. Just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and just place it in my mouth.
So here I'm going to go ahead and set my timer for about 5 minutes.
I have to be the most nastiest ever. But this is it. These are good for a quick little 99-cent 5-minute white teeth cleaning. But obviously, like, you know, if I do it for the whole week, yeah, it'd be even better. Alright, so I hope you guys saw it well. Give it a try and see how you like it. Alright, I'm out. About to get dressed.